everyone, and I have to say this is probably the most depressing dryer replacement I've found. This is in my local theatre. My mum went there today. This used to be an Airforce, and they've now replaced it with a roller towel. Well, that is really depressing in my opinion, as this is extremely unhygienic, as everyone else is drying their hands on this, and it's probably spreading more germs. Well, why would you replace an Airforce, a nice decent dryer, with something like this? Honestly, I don't know why. I understand you want to save money, but why would you replace a good hand dryer with a roller towel that's extremely unhygienic in my opinion? Like, what do you think? I just think it's silly. This is absolutely disgusting. I'd like to know what you think. This is extremely unhygienic in my opinion. Be nice to see your thoughts in the comments section below. I know I haven't uploaded much in the past week. I haven't really been feeling it, but thank you for watching this video.